Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to discuss ordering questions related to alphabets. Okay, so basically the question will be like, what is the 8th letter to the 4th letter from the left or something like that. Okay, so for this there are few ground rules which you need to know. If you know those rules, then you will be able to solve these kind of questions literally in seconds. So the first rule is, when the question has mentioned same sides, means either everything is from the left or from the right. Whenever you have something like that, you subtract. Okay, and when it is opposite, means it has a left as well as a right, then opposite sides, then you add. Okay, and like always in any alphabetical series question, you need to remember that A is the first letter, E will be your 5th letter, J is your 10th letter, O is your 15th letter, T is your 20th letter, and Z is your 26th letter. Why am I saying this is because this will really help you to find the actual alphabet at that particular position. Okay, so now let's start with the first question. In the English alphabet, which is the 5th letter to the left of the 8th letter from the left? So please understand, when you do these operations also, you have to start from the last detail given. So what is the last detail, which is what? 8th letter. So you start with 8, then it is left, and 5th letter is also to the left. So again we are having same sides, so we will subtract. So we are getting 3, and the 3rd letter from the left, please understand, when it is from the left you start with A, and if it is from the right you will start with Z. Always remember, the left will be your left and right is always your right. Okay, so here in this case your answer is alphabet C. Why? Because A is the first letter, B is the second letter, and C will be your 3rd letter. Okay, now coming to the next question. Before beginning with that, I would like to remind all of you all that if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you can mention in the comment section. Okay, so next question is, in the English alphabet, which is the 6th letter to the right of the 11th letter from the right? Like I said, we are starting from the innermost detail or the last detail which is given, which is 11 in this case, and since this is from the right and the last the 6th letter is also from the right, so we are going to do subtraction because they are same sides. So answer is 5. So now this is going to be 5th letter from the right. If it is right, means you are starting from Z. Okay, so now we know that T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 5th letter from Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer for this one is V. Okay, I hope you all are understanding how to do these kind of questions. Okay, so next question is, which letter is 3rd to the left of the 7th letter from the right? Again, we are starting with 7 because that's the innermost detail or the last detail given. Now this is right and this is left, so you are going to add. Okay, so now this is 10. Okay, so now see, understand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We already have 7 letters from Z, which is T. Okay, so Q, R, S, T. So this is 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? So answer to this one is Q. Okay, so now next one is, which is the 7. Okay, so there are times then where they might give you more questions. Okay, means more number of operations to be done. So again, let's look at the question. Which letter is the 2nd letter to the right of the 3rd letter to the left of the 9th letter from the left? So when you have something like that, like I said, we'll start from the last detail, then we have left, and which is followed by also a left. So this is 3, then this left is followed by or preceded by right? So you're going to add, right? So 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. 8 from the left means you're starting from your A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? And H is your 8th letter. So answer for this question is letter 8. Okay, now next question. So time for DIY basically. Which letter is second to the right of the 8th letter from the left end? Okay, so do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.